Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take a picture with the picture function, then show the picture on the screen for the user. So take the picture, show it, and we're also going to be storing it inside the main directory of the phone. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want is obviously a button for them to push. So we're going to change that to take picture. So the goal is once they take this, push this button, it should take a picture. Take pic. Alright. Looking fancy now. Alright, now let's go ahead and put an image block here. I'm going to leave everything as automatic, that way depending on the camera that they use, it will adjust to it. Alright, and then now we're actually going to have to go into media. We're going to get the camera function, and we're going to click and drag that right in there. And then we're going to go down to storage, because we're going to have to store this value with TinyDB1, and we're going to click and drag that in there. In most cases you're probably going to need that, so it's good to have it in there. Components in there, we're going to go ahead and go into the block setting. First thing we're going to do is tell it what to do when you press the button. So button 1, we're going to go ahead and tell it to start up the camera. So click on the camera and call the camera to take a picture. That's all you're going to need to do. That automatically open up the camera function in the person's phone for you, all done. It's like an activity starter. Now we have to set the image to the new picture. What we're going to do first is we're going to have to store the value of the camera. So what we're going to do is click on the camera, and after it's done taking a picture, it will then store that value of the image. So you can go ahead and click over here and click and drag it value from there, or you can go ahead and go to variables and click and drag it, select it from the drop down menu. Either way it works, just quicker if you grab it right from the drop down menu there. And we're going to have to go ahead and give that a tag, so it knows what to save it as. I'm going to go ahead and call that the pic. And now what we're going to do is we're going to set that image that we placed there before with nothing in it to the new picture. I'm going to set image 1, its picture 2. And we're going to go ahead and call it from the stored value. So get value, click drag right into there, and get your string function right down in there too. And we're going to go ahead and put down pic. And pic. It's case sensitive, so make sure you go ahead and make sure everything's capitalized where it should be. Now what this will do is first press the button, take the picture, store it, and then it will then call for it and set that image block to the image that we just took. Good thing about doing this with the actual database, so the TinyDB, it will save the picture automatically into the person's main directory, so they can actually go back to the older images that they had taken before. Alright, so now we're done with that. We're going to go ahead and build it. Make a QR code here, and I'll show you after it's done building it. Alright, so all I did right now is I went ahead and installed it from the QR code and put it on my phone. As you can see, there it is displayed on my phone. It's a simple button with no picture. So we're going to go ahead and push that button, and go ahead and select which camera you want to use. And it's going to open up that phone automatically there for you, whatever the default one is or whatever they select. And go and take a simple picture. Go ahead and actually, if that's the one you want, go ahead and press that check mark. Now you can see on that main screen we have it right there for them. And that's how you go ahead and store the value, and then you can go ahead and display this on any other screen as long as you call from it from the TinyDB. And obviously if I press take the picture again, it will obviously change the value, and then once again display the image that we had taken there. But this original image that we have right here will be stored to the main directory of your phone. So make sure you go ahead and delete them, because they can add up after a while. I found that out the hard way. After testing my apps over and over again, they just built right up. So make sure you take care of that. And hopefully this helped you. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys. And also check out my app. It's called the DTF Agreement. Go ahead and download it. Thank you. Bye.